Hello students, welcome to EduWave online classes. Now today we will be learning matrices. This is a chapter in mathematics, class 10 I.C.S.E. So let's start. But before we start, I request all of you to kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and follow us on WhatsApp. The link for both these things will be given in the description box. And without any further delay, let's start. So first of all, what do we mean by matrices? Arrangement of few numbers in horizontal and vertical lines. Horizontal and vertical lines is known as a matrix. Like I write matrix A 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, here 1, 2, 3, 4 are known as the elements of the matrix. Now, these two horizontal lines are known as rows, and these two vertical lines are known as columns. So here we see that this matrix A, and matrices are always enclosed within third bracket or square brackets. Now we see that there are two rows and there are two columns. So we write the order of this matrix as 2 cross 2. This denotes number of rows and this denotes number of columns. Sorry, this denotes number of columns. And since this matrix has equal number of rows and columns, 2 cross 2, this matrix is known as a square matrix. This is known as a square matrix. Suppose I write another matrix B like 1, 2, 1, 2. Here we see that there is only one row and there are four columns, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the order of this matrix will be 1 cross 4. And this, since this matrix is having just one row, so this is known as a row matrix. This is known as a row matrix. Now if I write another thing like 8, 4, 2. Now we see that there are three rows, 1, 2, 3, and there is just one single column. So the order of this matrix is 3 cross 1, and this is known as a column matrix. This is known as a column matrix. Now, if I write another matrix D, suppose I write 1, 2, 3, 4, and here I write 5, 6, 7, 8. Here there are two rows, first row, second row, and there are four columns, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 rows, that is 2, and 4 columns, that is 2 cross 4 is the order of this matrix, and this looks like a horizontal rectangle. So this matrix, the name of this matrix is rectangular matrix. The name of this matrix is rectangular matrix. Suppose I write a matrix, let's say P. It is like this, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, here all the elements are 0 and the order of this matrix is 2 cross 2. So this is a square matrix of order 2 cross 2 where all the elements are 0. So the name of this matrix is null matrix or zero matrix. Okay, this is known as null matrix or zero matrix, and this some of the times it is denoted by O. It is denoted by O. Now, suppose I write another matrix I, like 1, 0, 0, 1. Here also there are 2 rows and 2 columns, right? So the order of this matrix is 2 cross 2, and the diagonal elements are 1, the remaining elements are 0. This particular type of matrix is known as identity matrix. This particular type of matrix is known as identity matrix. These are the different types of matrices that we have to deal with in this entire chapter. Now today we will be learning 2 operations on matrices. One is addition and the second one is subtraction. So let's see how to add and subtract 2 matrices. Now first of all, there is a criteria for adding or subtracting 2 matrices. What is that criteria? Both the matrices must be having the same order. Both the matrices must be having the same order. Suppose I write matrix A as a 2 cross 2 matrix, and if I want to add this matrix A with matrix B, or if I want to subtract matrix B from matrix A, then B should also be of the order 2 cross 2. Now if the order of matrix A and B are not same, then the 2 matrices can never be added or subtracted. So now let's see. First of all, I take matrix A, or rather this is the question, I take it like this: 3x plus y is the first element, minus y is the second element, 2y minus x is the third element, and 3 is the fourth element. This matrix is equal to another matrix, that is 1, 2, minus 5 and 3. This is given. And we have been, let me check the question once more: 3x plus y minus y, 2y minus x and 3, and 1, 2 minus 5, 3. Okay, so on both the left and right hand side, the order of both these matrices are 2 cross 2. Therefore they are comparable. That means we can compare this matrix with this matrix according to their respective positions. Like the first element can be compared with this first element, second can be compared with second, third can be compared with third, and fourth can be compared with fourth. So if we compare, we are writing comparing both sides, we get, what do we get? The second position here in this matrix we have minus y, and here in this position we have 2, so both are comparable. So if negative y is equal to 2, we transpose this negative on the right, so we get the value of y as minus 2. So this is the value of y. Now we can compare this element, that is 2y minus x, with this element, because we compare position wise. Second element goes with the second element, third element goes with the third element, right? So 2y minus x is equal to minus 5. Now we have already found out the value of y, that is minus 2. We are going to replace it over here, that is 2 into minus 2 minus x is equal to negative 5. So 2 into negative 2, that is negative 4. We take this minus 5, we transpose this minus 5 on the left side, we get plus 5, and we transpose this negative x to the right, so we get the value as plus x. So 5 minus 4, that is 1. So the value of x is 1. Now please avoid the habit of writing 1 is equal to x, because always we write the variable on the left side and the constant on the right side, because the value of x is 1. It is not that the value of 1 is x, because x is a variable whose value can change anytime, but 1 is a constant number whose value is fixed, it is 1. So x is equal to 1. So this is how we compare the two matrices having same order, and we find out the value of the variables. Now let us see matrix addition. Let us see matrix addition. Okay, so the value of one matrix M is given, that is 2 0 1 2, 2 0 1 2, and the value of another matrix N is given, that is 2 0 minus 1 2. Find, the question is find M plus 2n, M plus 2 times of matrix N. So let's see how to find it out. So M plus twice of n is equal to, we write the value of matrix M, that is 2 0 1 2, and plus 2 times of matrix N, that is 2 0 minus 1 2. Okay, now this constant 2 will be multiplied with each and every single element of this matrix N, right? So let's see. 2 0 1 2 plus 2 2s are 4, so the first element will be 4. 2 into 0, that is 0. 2 into negative 1, that is minus 2, and 2 into 2, again it is 4. Now you see, the order of this matrix is also 2 cross 2, and the order of this matrix is also 2 cross 2. Now what did I say you? That the two matrices can only be multiplied when, two matrices can only be added or subtracted only when orders of both the matrices are equal. So here also we have a 2 cross 2 matrix, and here also we have a 2 cross 2 matrix, so we can add both of them, and according to the elements present in the respective positions, that is, this should be added with this, second element should be added with second, third with third, and fourth with fourth. So 2 plus 4, that is 6, 0 plus 0, that is 0, 1 plus of minus 2, that is 1 minus 2, because positive into negative is negative, so 1 minus 2 is minus 1, and 2 plus 4 is 6. So this is the final value of M plus 2n. This number, constant number, is multiplied with each and every single element inside this matrix N. Then M and 2n, this matrix, are of the same order. Then we add both of them according to their respective positions. Let's move on to the next problem. I hope you all are well understanding the topic. So let's see the next sum. It is given 2 1 5 0 2 1 5 0 minus 3x is equal to minus 7 4 2 6 minus 7 4 2 6. Let me check the question once more. 2150 minus 3x is equal to minus 7426. Okay. And we have been asked to solve this. Solve this in the sense we have to find out the value of this x, capital X. So what we do is we write this matrix as it is. So 2150. Now here we do not have any sign before this matrix. That means here there is a plus sign. If we take this or transpose this matrix on the left side, this becomes negative and the elements remain same. That is minus 7 4 2 6. And if we transpose this negative 3x on the right side, it becomes positive 3x. So we can write 3x is equal to, now see, both this one and this one is of the order 2 cross 2. I told you that when you have to subtract, the orders of both the matrices must be same. So 2 negative of negative 7, minus into minus gives us a positive sign. So 2 plus 7, that gives us 9. 1 minus 4, that is minus 3. 5 minus 2, that gives us 3. And 0 minus 6, that gives us minus 6. Now, on the left hand side, this 3 is multiplied with x. So when this 3 is taken to the right side, it becomes 1 by 3. So x is equal to 1/3 of this entire matrix. That is 9 minus 3, 3 and minus 6. Now we will multiply this 1/3 with all the elements individually present in this matrix. So 1/3 of 9, that is 9 into 1 by 3 gives us 3. 1/3, that 3 cancels and we get minus 1 in the second position. This 1/3 into 3, again this 3 and 3 cancels to give us 1. And 1/3 into negative 6, 3 cancels negative 6 2 times. So minus 2 into 1, we get it as negative 2. And this is the value of x. So if you want to further simplify, that means we have divided all these individual elements present in this matrix by this 3. If you want to simplify, we have divided all the individual elements by 3, and therefore the resultant matrix, the value of x is 3, minus 1, 1 and minus 2. I hope this sum is clear to all of you. Let us move on to another sum. Now, this sum came in the year of 2018 I.C.S.E. Let's take one sum that came in the year of 2018 I.C.S.E. It's given 2x 9 7 and y minus 5 plus 6 4 minus 7 5 is equal to 10 7 22 15. 10 7 22 and 15. Let me check the question once more. X 9 7 y minus 5 plus 6 4 minus 7 5 is equal to 10 7 22 15. Okay. Now we have been asked to find out the value of this x and is y. Okay, this sum came in I.C.S.E. 2018. So let's see. So first of all, this 2 will be multiplied with individual elements inside this matrix. So we get 2x, 2 into 7, that is 14, 2 into 9, that is 18, and 2 multiplied with this entire y minus 5, that is 2 whole y minus 5. So we get 2y minus 2 5s are 10. So these are the 4 elements of the first matrix, plus here we get 6 minus 7, 4, 5 is equal to 10, 7, 22, 15. Now, so 2x, 14, 18, 2y minus 10, 6, 4 minus 7, 5. Okay. Now, see, both these matrices are of the order 2 cross 2. So we can add both of them according to their respective positions. So 2x plus 6 remains as 2x plus 6. 14 plus of minus 7, that is 14 minus 7, we get it as 7. 18 plus 4, that is 22. 2y minus 10 plus 5, it is something like this, 2y minus 10 plus 5. So minus 10 plus 5 is minus 5. So ultimately over here we get 2y minus 5. That is equal to, on the right side we have 10, 7, 22 and 15. So this can be equated with this element and this element can be equated with this element. So therefore, here we need to write one simple statement, that is comparing both the sides like the previous one we have done. Comparing both the sides, we get 2x plus 6 equal to 10. 2x plus 6 equal to 10. So from here, if we solve this linear equation, 2x equal to 10 minus 6. So 2x equal to 4. 2 cancels 4 2 times. So the value of x is 2. And similarly, we can write 2y minus 5 is equal to 15. So we can write 2y is equal to 15 plus 5, that is 20. So 2y is equal to 20. 2 cancels 20 10 times. So the value of y is 10. So the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 10. So I hope with these few examples that I have shown you, you have understood what is matrix, what are the different types of matrices, how to determine the order of a matrix, what is known as the row and column of a matrix, and only if the order of both the matrices are same, then only we get the permission to add them or subtract one matrix from the other. And this is a sum that came in the year of 2018. So I have solved and shown you how to find out the value of this x and y. Okay. So in our next class, we will come up with matrix multiplication. That is also a very easy topic. So till then, keep studying and we will be back shortly. Wish you good luck. Bye bye.